if you don't listen now, then what's going to happen is you're just not going to know how to do it. All right, now I'm asking you, does everybody understand that 3 is considered the tens digit?
Yeah.
And 2 is considered the units digit? Yeah. So when I write a 2-digit number, the 2-digit number I'm going to write from now on is called TU. Right? That represents all 2-digit numbers. Does everybody agree with that? All right. Now, the number 32. How do I know it was 32? Because this actually means what? 3 times 10 plus what? Plus 2. You learned that in like first grade. All right, some of you didn't understand what you were doing, but now hopefully you do. The second number here, this 3, is actually not 3, it's the number what?
30.
It's the number 30. So when I ask you about this 2-digit number, I would like everybody to say that 2-digit number can be read as 10t plus u. So t and u are the what? Digits. T and u are the digits. 10t plus u is the what? Is the number. Thank you, whoever was listening. T and u are the digits. 10t plus u represents the number. All right, now, if you know that, then the problems are easy. But if you don't write that, or you can't write that, then you can't do these types of problems. All right, so now let's see what it says. A 2-digit number. A 2-digit number. How do I represent a 2-digit number? 10t plus u. So you're going to write down 10t plus u. What does is mean? Equals 4 times the sum of the digits. You are amazing, except, and we're not going to use x and y. You are great. So that's the first one. Come on, guys. I just don't think that's that hard. That's not that hard. A 2-digit number, 10t plus u, is 4 times the sum of the digits. Everybody good? Now it says the tens digit is 3 less than the units digit. How do I write that?
1t minus 3.
T equals
3 plus u.
guys, come on.
No, the tens is less than the units.
Yeah, so it's going to be
So
7
t equals u minus the.
Yes.
minus.
Yep.
What, Oliver, what does less than mean? What does less than mean?
It means there's less than, so that means the units would have 3 more. So why is it minus?
First of all, it's and listen, hey, I'm happy with you. Okay, I really appreciate your questions. Now listen to what I'm saying, and I'm not trying to be. I'm just trying to tell you, we did this literally the first week of algebra class, where I asked you to make this translation. The tens digit, that's the t, is means equal. How do I write 3 less than u?
Okay.
U minus 3. Now, if you're having trouble with that, right? Let's say u was equal to 5. Then t would be what? If I plugged 5 in, t would be what? 2. Is that true? Yes. That's what I want you to do. Not ask me a bunch of questions. Look at what I'm writing and see if that makes sense. Translate it on your own. Translate it on your own. All right. Now, that is perfect. That is perfect. Now we're just going to solve it. Now, what I want everybody to notice is up here, please, that this problem up here can be simplified. Do we agree with that? Distribute. Let's everybody distribute. So I want 10 4t plus u equals 4t plus 4u. Is everybody with me on that? Now, does everybody agree I can subtract 4 and subtract u?
16 plus.
6t equals what? 3u. Come on, Oliver. Now, instead of having 6t equals 3u, I can just divide both sides by 3.
Mhm.
And so we could say that u is equal to what? 2t. Now, Oliver, tell me, bud. Come on. Good. Okay. All right. Now, wherever I see a u, I can put what? So here's my equation. I'm putting that u in for this u. And what does u equal?
T is equal to 2t minus 3.
T equals 2t minus 3. Now, because we are brilliant, I can add 3 and I can subtract t. Does everybody agree with that?
Yeah.
So the tens digit would be what? 3. And if the tens digit is 3,
30.
then the units digit would be what? 6. So the number that they were referring to is what number?
36.
36. I don't think that's that hard, but it just takes a little practice. All right, please don't no reason. All the work is there. All right. What is the, did you get T was 3 and U was 6?
Yeah.
T stands for the tens digit. The tens digit is 3. The units digit is 6. Therefore, the number we're referring to is 36. What, Oliver? Come on, quick. I got lots to do. All right, let's check out 26. Uh-oh. Now, for, like I said, for whatever reason, this is hard. When the digits of a 2-digit number are reversed. So how would I write that?
10u plus 2.
You are amazing, girl. That's exactly correct. Like, think of it, 36. If I switch 36, it now becomes what? 63. So now it's 6 times 10 plus 3. Does everybody agree? So now if you don't like that, you're like, that's too complicated for me. Then whatever you see, the 2-digit number is reversed. Instead of writing 10t plus u, you're just going to write what? 10u plus t. Come on, we can do that. 10u plus t. When the digits of a 2-digit number are reversed, the new number is, what does that mean? Equals 36 more than the original number. What was the original number?
10t. Oh, sorry.
Say it. Come on, Nora. The original number was 10t plus u. And what am I going to do to that? Add 36. All right. Now, once again, guys, I know it's new to you. Brand new type of word problem. I'm just trying to make sure that you're looking at that going, man, right? I just have to keep that straight. Right? Is everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
All right. Now it says the other equation is what?
The image is twice the times.
So how do I write that?
Well, U equals 2.
That's it. U equals 2t. What?
Like, since it's like 2, 10t. I mean, oh, sorry, I got a mistake.
I know you did. I was just glad you could point that out to me.
I would yes, I would assume we could simplify.
Yes, you are correct in your assumption. We need to simplify this. Please look up now. I'm expecting us to be better at simplifying. Right, so if I move the u over, how many u's are there going to be? 9u equals, if I move the t over, it's going to be 9t what? Now, does anybody see something that would stand out on that?
Yeah, they're both 9.
Yeah, we could divide by 9. Thank you, Oliver. We can divide everything by 9. So U equals
T plus 4.
U equals T plus 4. Beautiful. U equals T plus 4. Now, once again, let's take a look at this right here. This goes right here. So I can write T plus 4 equals 2T.
Plus 4.
So what does T equal?
4.
Everybody happy with T equals 4?
Mhm.
And if T equals 4, then U must have been 8. So our number was 48.
Wait,
Now listen to me, guys. You don't get credit for guessing and checking. Does everybody understand me on that? Right? I need to see your work. All right. I'm trying to teach you how to organize your thoughts. All right. Can we just go through and scroll through these numbers until we get the answer? Yes, but we're not doing that. I'm not giving you any credit for scrolling through. All right. And just guessing and checking. You get no credit for that. All right. So don't say you're sorry. Just tell me what's the question.
I know
Come on, Nora. You're gonna have to slow down. I don't know where you're at.
T plus 4 plus 2T.
So this right here. Okay, now I found you. Look right here, please. Do you see what U is equal to right here?
Yeah, I got how you said to be different, but I was like, I just like, I don't know.
So are you here now?
Yeah.
And you're telling me you can't subtract T from both sides?
Oh, you're.
Is that what you're telling me?
Never.
Let me help you. 2 minus 1 today is what? 1. Very good. Very good. All right. All right. Now, here we go. Number 27. Come on now. Everyone, if you paid attention last week, this is easy. All right. If you paid attention, everybody should be setting it up. All right. So 1 minute. Less than that. All right, Miss Elliott, set it up for me. I know you weren't here, but it's easy. So what are you thinking? Five what? Right. So we just put 5A. Or you can put J down. I just don't feel like writing J. And yeah, I hate writing S's, but I don't see any alternative. So 4S. And that equals how much? Yes. Now you understand, right? It's easy. Now tell me the next one.
4A plus 5.
Look how easy that is. Everybody good with this?
Yeah.
Right? Everybody should be able to do that. That is simple. All right, that's simple. Now I need to solve this. All right, so now I'm going to let you do it. Austin, let me see what you're thinking.
Multiply the bottom by -1. Or sorry, no,
Negative what? Remember, we want these to be the same, opposite signs. Right?
alright, so we have to multiply both.
By, yes, by 1 by what?
-5.
And the other one by what?
Positive.
Yes, that's 100% correct. That's 100% correct. Is there lots of different ways to do that? Lots of ways to do it. All right, that's how he chose to do it. So here we go. Distribute, what do we get? Wow, that was nice. Did you do that mental math?
Yeah.
I'm so good, aren't I?
And then -20 is plus -25 plus equals,
Too slow.
like, -51.
51.50. Good work, man.
51.50.
Because 5 times 10 is 50 and 5 times 30 cents is $1.50. Agreed? Or take out your calculator. All right. Now, we ended up with what? Negative 9s. Thank you very much. Equals
1350.
what?
Oh, you said 1350. Okay, negative 1350.
Thank you for a right answer.
Yeah, you're
So, thank you. So S was how much?
2.
I definitely suggest you have your calculator for Wednesday. $1.50. So the salad costs $1.50. All right, now please, come on now. Plug $1.50 in for S and solve it out now. Let's go. Don't wait for someone else. What was it? Tell me. 70 cents.
Yeah.
What? How?
77.
I just did it right up there on the board. Come on.
Wait, 4.
So your apple juice, no. 70 cents. Here we go. So you're no, oh, brilliant.
Let's go, man.
Yeah, let's go.
Cappy, almost caught me. It says, what would be the bill for a glass of juice and a glass of salad? So if you don't put $2.20, then it's going to be what? It's going to be wrong. All right. So $2. I know. Thank you, Mr. Cappy. $2.20. All right. Now 28. Chop chop. Let's get 28 done, please.
Wait, 220?
Shh. Here we go. Shh, 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 shh. Bless you.
Can we just average this?
No. We're not averaging. No, come on. Write the equation. If you can write the equation, we should be good.
Plus 2n equals 8.5. And then 2p plus 3n equals 8.
Wow. Thank you. All right, looks like we're in good shape.
Yeah,
All right, that was nice. So now do you want to just fill me in? What am I going to multiply by?
Multiply the top by -2 and the bottom by -3.
You are amazing, girl. Good job. Let's go. Continue on, everybody.
60
I'm listening.
4n equals -16.5.
I'm happy with that. We agreeing? All right. So now what do I got?
I got 1.0.
5n equals,
7.5.
thank you.
Yep. -5.
So n equals
It's 1.5.
$1.50. That's what I got.
Yeah.
So the notebook is $1.50. Does everybody agree with that?
Yes, sir.
So now if the notebook costs $1.50, plug it in.
Why don't you-
It doesn't matter which one you do. Shh, shh, shh.
$1.75.
Yeah.
And then what is it? The pen cost how much?
$1.75.
Does everybody agree? $1.75?
I guess.
I don't want to guess. All right.
325.
And now it says, how much would two pens?
Wait, can we back?
What?
Where are we plugging the N in?
Into any equation, Oliver. Any of the equations. Plug N in.
6.5. Yep.
No, not 6.5. $6.50.
Yes, it's close.
What's 3 times 1.5?
Exact same.
Here, Oliver, just come get a calculator. Come on, let's go. Shh. Anybody have any problems with, and no, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We're not, look, I got something going on, super important, hard test coming up. All right, you gotta focus. Anybody have any problems with 28 now?
Do you leave that up there?
We're moving on to 29, hurry up.
It sounds like it's in line, but
What's that?
the physical nature of the problem.
Oh,
sounds like
yes.
it's in line, but
Let's see what you can do. All right, now please, number 29 is a little bit different, but again, because we're good at percentages, we understand it's not a difficult task. All right. So how much money are we investing? 6,000. Some are in what? And some are in bonds. So bonds plus my stocks are going to total how much money? $6,000. Now, I'm going to receive interest, all right, on your stocks and bonds. Your bond pays 10%. Hey, I mean it now. We're in it. This is a new type of problem. You should be able to tell me that a bond pays 10%, which is 0.1. So 0.1B. Hey, you're not funny right now. And how much money what percent do I make in stocks? 0.05. You have to be careful. 0.05 for the stocks. And then you're going to be paid a total of how much money? $375. That's what we're looking at. What? Yeah, now we can multiply the top by negative 0.1. Negative 0.1B minus 0.1S equals negative 600. Not when you multiply by 0.1. Shh, 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 shh. Now here's where people made some careless mistakes last year. 0.05 minus 0.1, which is what? Negative 0.05 S equals negative 225. Oliver, you have a calculator there. All right. If you can't tell me what 10 cents minus a nickel is, all right, use a calculator. That's what I want you to do. Don't leave anything to chance. Use the calculator. And so now dividing S equals $4,500. So we're going to invest $4,500 into stocks. And now that I know S is 4,500, then the amount of bonds would be $1,500 invested in your bonds.
Invested in stocks.
You're right. Thank you. So I don't even need that other part. No, no, no. Come on, guys. All right, another problem. One more to go. Stop messing around. Next. I'm going to pause the video for a quick second. All right. 480. Hold on a minute. 480 equals
P minus C
P minus C
times 60.
times 60. Shh.
And then 480 P plus C times 80.
Okay, now everybody's going to think just for a second, because I know this is where people make the mistake. If you're going with the current, it's going to take you more or less time. You see what I'm saying? So these two actually should just be what? Yeah, they should be switched. All right, it's not really a big deal, but just switch them up. Does everybody agree with that? What?
So. So because it's, so person and then current, when it's negative is downstream and current when it's positive is upstream. Yeah.
With and against the current.
I'm just don't really understand.
Now, instead of distributing an 80 and distributing a 60, I could just do what? Divide. So 80 or 480 divided by 80 is what?
Wait, we're getting 45.
That's 60
We're getting 45.
and then 80.
What are you saying 40 for?
You said 40.
480.
Oh,
So now 480 divided by 80 is 6 equals P minus C. And the second equation then would be what? Oh, which is 8 equals P minus C.
P plus C.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, it's nice because it's positive and negative,
7.
right?
are we adding?
Here you guys,
It's the water.
14 is equal to 2P. Okay, so you're paddling at 7 meters every what? Second. All right, and the current, right, is once you establish that P is 7, the current would equal what? 1. 7 goes in for P, Oliver, like all the other problems. All right. Now, for those of you guys, I would suggest reviewing those. All right, I would suggest reviewing those. All right, but I'm going to pause for a second.